The base price of a TV set is 24,500 pesos. What will be its selling price if you add 12% value added tax? Okay, so solve lang natin ito. Magdadagdag daw tayo ng 12% value added tax sa given na base price ng TV, 24,500 pesos. So gawa natin ng equation. So we have 24,500. So ang formula para sa selling price ay equal sa original price, OP, or yung base price, plus the tax. Okay? So therefore, the new selling price, what will be its selling price? So that is equal to 24,500 pesos plus the tax. So according to the problem, the tax is 12%. If you add 12% value added tax. So that means we will multiply the 12% to the original price, 24,500. So therefore, we have 24,500 times the 12%. So 12%, we can write this as decimal or in fraction. So in this problem, let's use fraction. So we have 12 over 100. I use fraction because we have 24, we have two zeros in the original price. So if we use fraction 12 over 100, we can simply cancel the 100 in the denominator and then cancel the two zeros in the numerator. Okay? So therefore, we have 24,500 plus, let's just multiply this manually, 245 times 12. Okay? So times 12. So 2 times 5, we have 10. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1, we have 9. And then 2 times 2, we have 4. And then 1 times 245 is 245. Then add this, so we have 0. 9 plus 5 is 14, carry 1. 1 plus 4, we have 9. And then bring down 2. And then, so we have 2,940. So add the 2,940 to this. So we have 2,940. Therefore, the final answer is bring down 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. 5 plus 9 is 14. Carry 1. 1 plus 4 plus 2, we have 7. And then bring down 2. So therefore, the answer is 27,440, which is letter B. Follow for more.